I'd like to acknowledge and thank the City of Long Beach and especially Shoreline Village for your support.
What are you doing, guys? Big excitement, come on, yay! There we go. All right.
I gotta say that every year is different, but it's amazing. I'm very happy thrilled to have you guys all here. We want to thank all the sponsors. It would not be possible, this event, if it wouldn't be because of them.
Here, folks. All right. What more do we need, guys? What else?